Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today on Unbox Daily, we have fun finds. If you don't know what fun finds means, then fun finds are cool things that we bring for our dollhouse, which weren't actually made for dollhouse. They were just keepsakes or things to be gifted, but are also perfect for our dogs. So let's have a look at them. Number 1 fun find. For our first fun find, we have these books that we got in our cheese. These aren't actually made for dolls. These are a unique book that can be gifted or kept as a keepsake. These are from our cheese, gifted or to be kept as a keepsake, but we thought that it would be fun to keep them for our dogs. We can decorate them in our dollhouse library. And these books have very cute pictures and thoughts in them. And I really love this colorful cover. I even have some more books like that. These books have a cover on them with the same design so that they can be kept protected. Come in different topics. All are different topics and they have quite good thoughts and pictures in them. So these can create great books for our dolls. And we can pretend as if our dolls are reading the books. For our second fun find, we have fruit erasers. These are small fruit erasers which can make great fruits for our dolls. And what I do is I take a small thin bamboo stick and I make a small type of sphere using hot glue gun, and then I color it black with permanent marker. I make a hole in the middle of the fruit and insert it in the stick. And then we can pretend as if our dolls are having these fruits. That's fun. I love fruits. These can be found in any stationery shop. And I just take a doll size plate. I take these sticks. I make a hole in all of my fruits. And I insert the stick. And then we can pretend our dolls eating these fruits. Quite fun, right? So for our third fun find, we have a globe sharpener. These are sharpeners which have design of the whole globe in them. You can see it, it's quite detailed. It's really a nice sized globe for our dolls. So these can make quite fun globes for us. And they are very the real globe. So our dolls can study the earth from this globe. For our fourth but last fun find, we have a dice. So these are big dices if we want to play games with them, but they can be perfect chairs for a Chelsea-sized doll. See, Shaggy is looking so cute seated in this chair. And for the big Barbie dolls or the normal dolls, they can be a great table. I mean, they can just sit down and read their books in it, and they can even place things in it. Like suppose they need a break, so they can just place their books here. So aren't these fun finds fun? Also write down in the comments below which fun finds was your favorite. So I hope you like my video and subscribe to my channel so that I make more videos. Bye and thanks for watching.